Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorm Guitar. We have Yaeow here with Be Gentle With Me. So a nice song here, and it fits guitar very well. So let's take a look at this song. We have no need for any cape on this one. We have 5 chords to handle, and this strumming pattern that goes from the beginning till the very end. We have that with us as well. Pretty soon we're gonna look at that, but first the chords. So let's take a look at the chords, starting here with C. So that is the 3rd fret on A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F as the 2nd chord here. That's a bar chord. You'll place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. E minor coming next here, so that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G as well. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have this strumming pattern I talked about. If you go to the C, that is the 1st chord. One string around will be about 6 downs, and it sounds like this. Alright, so 6 downs, but the 1st down here will mark out the bass note there, alright? Or the bass strings. So you hit that down on the bass strings, and then the other 5 there comes in the mid area, or perhaps also lower down there on the top string, so like that. So first on the bass string, and then 5 below on the mid top strings. That is one string round. To get the idea of how it sounds with a couple rounds of strumming, it goes like this. Alright, so we're ready for the different parts here of this song. We have the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. So I think this is so easy, I can just play and speak me while I'm doing it. So the verse play is C2, then F2, then E minor 1, G1, and F2. That is the verse play, okay? Then we'll go over to the pre-chorus. It's A minor 1, G1, and F2. And then finally we have the chorus play. We're gonna play C2, F2, A minor 1, G1, and F2. So C, A minor, G, and F2. Alright guys, so there you have all the tools to handle a song called Be Gentle With Me. So, hope this was educational. Give me a feedback on this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.